Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Sanjeev. Just finished my gym workout and wanted to shoot this quick video. Just telling you that one of our recent clients' channels started blowing up. Wanted to share with you the results, so make sure you stay all the way till the end. But it took us a while to actually know what our audience were watching on YouTube, right? It took us a while. And when we pinpoint the audience and what they're actually watching on YouTube, that's when we started making big money. But you cannot do that right off the bat, is because it doesn't show on your analytics, right? So you need to be actually analyzing all your analytics on a weekly basis, right? What videos are actually popping up and how you can actually get some of their momentum on your channel. That's what we have been doing. So if you one of that client, congratulations, man, and we hoping to push your channel to that $2,000-3,000 a month and beyond, right, from there. And it takes time on YouTube, right? It takes time. So some of the channels it starts blowing up from the right of the gate, but some channels it takes us close to about 3 to 6 months to even break even, right? And that's the reality of YouTube that you need to understand for you to get success on the platform, right? You might see some big gurus flashing you all these numbers, but they didn't see that numbers until they actually started investing more in different programs and gained the knowledge, and the niche they actually got into might have not been so saturated when they got into it, right? And they got the most amount of ROI very, very quickly, right? So it takes time on YouTube, and 3 to 6 months you're looking at, and videos you're looking at maybe 30, sometimes even 60 videos for you to see traction on your channel, right? So if you have the patience to wait and just not getting frustrated, not seeing the results, YouTube might not be the business model for you, right? Because this is not a get rich quick thing. It takes time to build up channel. It takes time to get momentum. It takes time to actually hire the right team, right? The team that you might have thought were actually good for your channel, you just need to let them go and hire someone else who can actually do the work, right? Who actually understand the niche. If they don't understand the niche, it's pretty much you're gonna be working very hard on your business, right? So it's good to find the team who understands the niche, so that way you're making the work for yourself very, very easy. So again, thank you so much for watching. And if you're new to YouTube automation, YouTube automation is a business model where we don't create the videos, we hire talents from websites as Fiverr, Upwork, onlinejob.ph, and those are the platforms that I personally use to hire my freelancers. And pretty much we give them video ideas, they create the videos, we upload those videos on the platforms, and we get paid with the AdSense revenue, right? So again, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to watch the video on the screen right now, and it shares with you what I do to have a 6-figure online YouTube automation business. So again, thank you so much. My God bless you all, and tata for now.
Hi guys, just wanted to show you some of the numbers on my YouTube automation channel. So in May, you'll see that we didn't make any money. Then June, nothing, because we didn't upload any stuff. Then we went up to July, right? August was a good month. September, and now we're in October. So you can see slowly this channel is getting good amount of traction, right? $0, $0, $13, $600, $290, $821, $14, and still got another probably 10 days to finish this month, right? So October will finish off on this channel $821.14, so it'll be over $1,000 this month, and then scale from there. So this is all part of YouTube automation.